Okay, you can see our breath. It's cold out. We got a wintry day. It's going this way, dude. All right, Tim's got a brand new Blackstone. We're gonna season it today. Mine is about 1.5 years old. Nice season. We've cooked on it many times. So we got this on high. You want to turn it on high for about 15 minutes so it gets real good and hot. Now let's season this bad boy. Actually, you can see the discoloration already. That's hot. And you're gonna want to use it. Oh yeah, you can hear that crackle.
That's because of the snow.
Now maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but you're gonna want to get some good oil on that. Definitely use the tongs because you're gonna burn your fingertips right off. Make sure you're getting the corners good, up on the sides. You want to really season this good.
How many times you gotta do this?
We're gonna do this 3 times, and it's smoking like crazy. We're basically gonna keep wiping that around until the smoke's gone. You got a lot of oil build up in there. Get the middle. Yeah. Not that I'm telling you how to do it, but I'm telling you how to do it. All right. So we're gonna let that go till the smoke dissipates, and then we'll do it again. We're actually seasoning with olive oil today. You can use any kind of oil you want, really. We just like olive oil. We like cooking with it, so why not season your grill with it?
She's cute too, olive oil.
You need some spinach? As soon as this smoke stops, we're gonna season a second time, then a third, then we're ready to cook. And first time we cook, we're gonna use something greasy, something oily. So my favorite, bacon. We'll probably cook on bacon.
Yeah.
All right.
Bacon makes everything better.
Everything. All right, still cold. Tim's shivering here. We're on our 3rd time. This is the last one. And you notice when he rubs this around, it's actually, the oil is soaked in already. So we know it's seasoned good because it's not absorbing all the oil it did the first 2 times. But it looks good. We're about to throw some bacon on this bad boy. Start cooking breakfast. And you can see all the smoke. Once the smoke dissipates a little bit, we'll start cooking. And we're going to turn it down. It is on high right now.
Yeah, we are.
Don't cook on high. You will burn your stuff in a hurry.
So John, you've had yours a while. What's your favorite thing to cook on it?
Oh, geez. Well, I'm going to say our favorite thing. We cook breakfast all the time, but I think Tim loves smash burgers. Smash burgers are the bomb on these. So the Blackstone, these are portable. They're 16 by 22. Easily fit in your trunk. We have the cables to fit to a 20-pound propane tank here, so it comes with the kit to hook to the little canisters if you just want to take those on vacation. But 20-pound tank, small enough to carry.
The little Coleman tank can work.
Yeah, the little Coleman tanks will work. And
comes with the adapter.
By the way, Tim told me last night that you can fill the little Coleman tanks off of these, so I'm sure there's a video of that coming soon because we've never done it and we're going to try it. So there's mine after 1.5 years, seasoned, used a lot. And Tim's brand new.
You can tell yours isn't hot because the snow is not melting on it.
Correct. Tim's is ready to cook. Bacon, here we go.